Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford vehicle guys. So if you have any Ford vehicle, the video should be very helpful guys. If you have an airbag light on and you have a code that relates to the passenger, okay, the passenger occupant mat not working, the sensor not detecting that you have a person sitting on the front passenger seat, we'll explain guys what needs to be done and how to fix that and how to replace the occupant mat on a Ford vehicle guys. We'll demonstrate on a Ford Focus, but it should work on so many Ford vehicles such as maybe even Ford Fusion, Escape, C-Max guys, S-Max. It will work on even on Ford trucks I think. So stay with us and we'll explain what you need to do. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we buy all the parts and tools from, and that way you can get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well guys. Now this device guys is part of the airbag system. Okay, this device is part of the airbag system. So if you're not qualified and certified, I wouldn't recommend the repair because airbags can kill people guys, and there is always a risk working on those, servicing them and not doing something correctly. So if you're not qualified, certified, don't do it guys. Consider this entertaining and not a how-to video. So this is the mat guys, this is the occupant mat. This is the one that tells us how heavy the person is and if the person is heavy enough, so the passenger airbag will be activated on the dash. Now how it detects that? All that is full of gel guys. This is special gel. Let's open it. Okay, and you're going to see this is just gel inside. Once you see it guys, that gel will actually be, okay, pressure will be applied and that pressure will be calculated by that sensor right here, and it's going to tell us, okay, if the person is heavy enough. But eventually those things fail, sometimes even the hose will break, or you can kick it under the seat, break it, and that will happen guys. So we'll explain how to do that. First we need to guys disconnect our car battery. We need to do that at least 1 hour before the repair, that way the airbag system can discharge and we'll have a small chance of something blowing up in our face. So disconnect your car battery. If you want to see how to do that, check out the video on the channel because there is a certain way, okay, a special way that you need to disconnect your car battery. So this is guys our mat that is not working, the occupant mat sensor, detection sensor. So it's under the seat guys, it usually has to be clipped, okay, right here, but ours came loose, so just pull it out. It has 2 clips usually, okay, and this is the location. Now how we're going to remove it, we have to take the seat apart on the bottom in order to get to it, so we will show you how to do that. You have to be extremely careful because you can guys, okay, severely cut yourself on the seat. Okay, I already did that. Okay, let me show you here. A few days ago I replaced another one. So we have to go ahead, okay, and open the seat, okay, trim on the front here, and this one will be super tight, so we have to do, grab it, okay, and twist it. Okay, I got it loose on a few places. Okay, here as well. Okay, now it is loose here. What we need to do, okay, we need to flip it on the other side now. Okay, like that, to get it loose. Why? Because these 2 clips are actually holding the detection mat guys. So what we'll do, we'll actually push them here, okay. You can get a clip removal too, but if you have a good mat that you're trying to pull out, careful not to damage, but we'll get the clips out. We'll have the links for the clip removal too and everything in the video guys, so in the description of the video below, so check it out. Okay, we almost hit it. Like you can see how little it's holding now, not much at all. Okay, perfect, it's loose on this side. So what we're going to do next guys, we're going to flip the seat on the side, and right here now, okay, we need to take it apart on the back side. So how we do that now? Okay, right here we're going to disconnect these elastics. Perfect. Next, We have a sensor. Okay, this is for the, I believe for the side airbag maybe, where it's going. I'm not sure, but it goes in the seat. No, this is the belt. Okay, belt buckle. So we need to disconnect it from here as well, our belt buckle, because the side airbag wires are right there, they're protected. It's about to come out. Okay, perfect. It came out, guys. Perfect, just like that. Now, a few things that we need to do. We need to disconnect our module for the occupant mat, and now it's holding, guys. Okay, right here. Okay, we're going to explain. Right here on the front, it's holding quite a bit. So, how you guys do that? You grab it. Okay, you need to grab it and bring it forward. Okay, bring it forward and push it down at the same time. Okay, it's not probably gonna work. Okay, well, you have to be careful not to bend the legs on the thing, because the new one may not. Let me just grab it by hand. Okay, you can see. And pull it. One more. Perfect. Now you can see it's loose, guys. On this side, it's completely loose. What else we need to do? Okay, right here on the back, we'll have a few more. Okay, that we need to disconnect from what it seems. Okay, let me check. Everything looks good here. I think right here we'll need to do. Yep, this thing on the back side. Right here, we'll need to open this one now. Okay, perfect. This one is out. Now we have one more. Okay, perfect. Now, right here, we need to push them down. Okay, check it out now. Grab it with finger, push it down. Okay, and one person will pull it up, out to the front. Okay. It's a little bit tight, guys. It's a little bit tight, but eventually. Okay. One started coming out, second one, third one. All of them will eventually pop out. Okay, don't break it, guys. Like, we're almost here now. If it's not coming out, just press it in and it will come out on the back side. Because if you're forcing it, it's not going to come out, and you can just, okay, break it. Perfect. Now, with this thing there, we can grab our mat. It got stuck, the clips got back in. Okay, you can see the clips that we pushed out earlier, so I'll probably recommend to do those last. They already got in, so I don't think it's gonna work like that because it got stuck there. Okay, let's pull that thing out now. Okay, we have a few wires holding here, but we're not so concerned about that. We just have the clips on the front. We need to go take care of those clips, guys. They're still holding, so let's just put the seat like that, go from the front and release the clips because they're still in the hose, guys. Okay, at the same time I'll be pulling on the back side. Okay, I got stuck here. And this right here, guys, is your occupant sensor out of the car. You can see that's how we remove it. Putting it together, guys, practically everything is in reverse order. We took it apart, but you can see, guys, that's how we do it. Not too complicated, but it takes some work. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let us know if you have any questions. Check out the links for all the tools and parts that we use, or if you need to get something. And see you guys next time.